Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had this arrived today. I am so happy that this has arrived. Let me just show you. This is a book I ordered about the way of St. James. It's a pilgrimage from border of France, 700 odd kilometres to, let's get this open, here we go, pilgrim route, Camino de Santiago, Camino Francais, guide and map book included, finished there, finished, that's on the coast I believe, brilliant, yeah, really good that's a good map. Well, I can't wait to get into this. And there's the route there. That is from St. John Pied-de-Port, Pamplona, Logroño, Burgos, Lyon, Ponferrada, Sevilla, finished at Santiago. So that is, how many kilometres did it say on here? But yeah, this looks absolutely brilliant. So here we go. Get this open. And that is it. Symbols at a glance, which I will be going through later on. And then, oh yeah, the route and the elevation, which I'm really looking forward to getting into. That's the red route there that I will be taking, hopefully, if I get fit enough. I want to go probably end of May, well, halfway through May next year. It shouldn't be too hot then. But yeah, and this is the elevation. So that is basically the toughest day, everybody says, just down there. Sorry about my fingers and my fingernails, been gardening today, so absolutely accurate as normal. And there's lots of brilliant information in, and I'm going to look forward to reading this section by section. So yeah, ordered it from Amazon, ordered it 2 days ago, just arrived now, so really good. Can't remember the price, I think £12 pounds, something like that. Not expensive at all. Get back together, protect it with the dust cover, so when you're using it a lot on the trip, don't want to damage it too much. Get back in there. That's that done. Brilliant. That's that done. So yeah, really looking forward to getting into this. Like I said, just got to save some money up now to go. Got a flight to pay for, train tickets, buy the equipment, and get fit. So Camino de Santiago. And like I said, I shall post a video when I start walking and hopefully getting fit enough to go. So if you want to keep in touch, please subscribe. If you want to see how I'm getting on, please like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I hope I do get fit enough to go. Hope everybody enjoyed watching. Thank you very much, everybody. Please keep safe, and thank you for watching. Bye.